we all have a soft spot for wellness. It's so inspiring. But there's a disconnect between our way of lives, our way of approaching nature, and how we actually degrade it without realizing. I think as humans, we tend to think of nature as something that is different than us. We've impacted nature so much as a species, and I'm not trying to guilt us as individual, you did this, you did that. No, it's the group effect. We're so many on this planet, and unfortunately, our way of living is having an impact on the environment. Those beautiful reefs that were once thriving with life, we just see them with less and less fish. Corals are disappearing at alarming levels, and all of that pristine nature that we see is slowly disappearing. With CRCP, what we do the most is studying the reef, so research and education. We realize that what is lacking into contributing to the protection of the ocean is data. How healthy are the reef? What are the issues? What can be done about it? All of those stressors we can usually pinpoint, unfortunately, to human activities. But people don't realize that. People don't know if you don't give them numbers. So by having this data, we can use that to educate and to find solutions.